tutorial on how to use spreadsheets to do auto calculations for you. Now, I'm not going to do the actual calculation that you need for this assignment, but if you're trying to figure out using sides and then figuring out what the answer is, so in this case, I'm just going to give you total degrees, which is not what it's looking for. But if you can find the formula, then you can use this to figure it out. All right. So n being the number of sides, I already found the formula. So you use the equal sign and just build that formula, except for instead of n, you're clicking on the actual cell you're using. So -2, and then times 180, enter. And then it wants to autofill. We'll do that later. But again, I can use that, and I'm just going to go up to like 12 sides for 13 sides for now. If you can click and drag this down. The easiest way is once you have this to however many you need, you just double click and then boom. Now again, this is the total degrees, so this is a square essentially. There's four corners, 90 degrees each, so on and so forth. There's three triangles. Triangle, no, add all the angles out to 180. That's what this is saying. Again, this is not the answer to the assignment, but this is how you do the assignment. All right, so you have the sides. You need to get the formula. Once you get the formula, that's it. Like, you just got to find the formula, and then you can just drag it down for however many it needs to drag down. All right, hopefully this is helpful. Quick tutorial on how to kind of use Google Sheets to do calculations for you based on having a number that increases and then a formula where it can just automatically do the math for you, as long as the formula is consistent. All right, that's all I have. Thank you for your time.